Welcome back to Daily Day Trades YouTube. We've got the Sunday watch list ready to go. If you're interested in alerts for all of my trades, there is a link below where you can get a free trial for that. If you're just here to learn, be sure and subscribe to the channel for daily videos. All right, let's get to it. There has been a lot of chatter surrounding OCGN, for which I am already a part of. They were on pace for a really good day on Friday until they announced an offering price below the market price. It looks like they're going to be selling 10 million shares at $10. And as you can see, we were trading well above $10, got almost up to $14, and I did not end up selling all my calls then. I probably should have, but I did make them free, so hopefully that will come back a bit. And one thing to take note of is an offering isn't always a bad thing. Sometimes companies just need capital to grow faster, or R&D, or to fill a big order, or something like that. In this case, they did drop down here, way back down to 962, but that's still trading right around that offering price. And after hours, I think it ended up closing close to 11. So that'll definitely be one to watch tomorrow. I have the 17 and a half calls for May 21st. And like I said, those are free right now. And after hours movement, I think they'll be pretty good. We'll see. I also have SYPR calls for Friday at $55. These are free as well. We had some good option plays last week, so luckily our risk profile is pretty much zero right now. We're just going to see how much profit we can squeeze out of this before the end of the week. You can see here it went way up. A little bit of FOMO from not selling up here. I think I made them free around here-ish, maybe around this consolidation. I'm not sure. And then it did end up dipping back down to about where I sold them, I think. But they're fine. I think those are still up like 80% or something like that. Hopefully that has a good day. The daily chart is a little bit sketchy. As you can see, they have these run-ups quite a bit. Doesn't always go well for them. So only got 5 days on that, but they are free, so that's okay. On the earnings sides of things, we're going to be looking at Amazon, Facebook, and Google. Those are the biggest ones. I probably won't make a play on any of those because they're going to be very, very expensive. That's just the nature of them, especially Amazon. I'm not even sure what these are pricing in now, but they're those stay-at-home stocks, so they're expected to do really well. If they don't do really well, then there's going to be a problem. And I'm sure all of those are priced in expecting above expectations on their earnings. The FOMC also has a meeting this week, which will be a big mover of the market depending on what their economic outlook looks like. I'll be posting live alerts on that as it goes because it's pretty easy to see which direction is going as as the market reacts to that news. And I'll also send this article in the alert channel as well. And if that wasn't enough chaos for one week, we also have the looming Biden tax proposal, which is beyond psycho. Quite frankly, I've ranted about that plenty. If you want the R-rated version of this video, that will be on the alerts page as well. And I do not care to talk about its stupidity anymore. I'm just going to hope that it doesn't happen and that it will never come to fruition. All in all, we've got a big week coming up, which will hopefully lead to some big plays. It usually does when we have this kind of news all coming together at once. There's a lot of options, and we can probably capitalize on some of that volatility in a incredible fashion per usual. So be sure and subscribe to the channel for daily videos and updates on these watch lists, and check out the link below for live trades and education. Hope everybody had a good weekend, and I will see you tomorrow.